Hey guys, this is Dave from Volkswagen Tube, and I just wanted to cover alternators with you. Just one quick thing about alternators. So let me show you something here. Excuse the camera work. This is the old alternator, okay? And what's happening is this shaft, I don't know if you can see it there, this shaft moves in and out about 1/8 of an inch. Right here, let's see if I can get it to, yeah, see? Moves in and out about 1/8 of an inch, which means the bearings are shot. Why are the bearings shot? Well, the bearings are shot because the fan belt was put on too tight. Volkswagens are different from Chevys and Dodges and Fords, who have to have a tight fan belt. This needs to have about 1 inch of play, and that's what these shims are for. You put shims on the inside, shims on the outside, and that opens and closes the clamshell and raises and lowers the belt. And it works on friction. So I had to tear apart the top of my engine in order to get a new alternator in there. This one, the shaft doesn't move at all. It's nice and firm. And the only reason I have to change the alternator is because the fan belt was too tight. So lesson learned to other folks. This is the way I bought the car. The way I found out was I adjusted it correctly. It was tight when I got it, adjusted it correctly, and it made a lot of scraping noise because it was rubbing on the inside of the doghouse. So um, there's a tool that comes with that you could get. It's a little half moon shaped thing, and you push it in. But you should be able to push in on the belt about 1/2 an inch to an inch, at least. Somewhere in there. I go about 3/4 of an inch to an inch of play, and then I never have a problem with my bearings wearing out. So that's just a little lesson for folks that didn't know that. And this is my 600-pound torque wrench right here. Oh man, I can't even get the whole thing in the camera. 1-inch drive, and that's what I used to get the nut off. This big nut here. It's a 36 millimeter socket, and it's a little over 200 pounds. So a regular torque wrench doesn't work. So lesson learned. There's play in there. You can see it moving back and forth. And that's not good. So thank you for watching my little couple-minute tutorial on fan belt tightening. Make sure there's about 1 inch of play. Have a great day. Thank you for watching Volkswagen Tube.